This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is July 26, 2019. This one here I got a call for hot water running for about 5 minutes and then the pilot goes out. So he said I installed it a while back. Well, I asked him if he had a power venter and he says yes. I asked him if the power venter was running. He said no, I didn't hear it. So that's probably what the problem is. The power venter don't run within a certain amount of time. It's going to trip that, it'll trip the pilot out. We have to manually reset it, so we'll go by and see. But it seems to me like that's what the problem is from talking to him on the phone. The power vent issue. We'll go check it out, see if we can get it, go get him hot water. Go by and give it to you. How you doing, Mama?
I believe it's number 11. Another way they
The burner? Power vent, alright, so it's number 11.
Yeah, so it's arrowed up to 11.
Okay, so that's on. You didn't hear the power vent running?
No.
Okay. Well, if you lit it and the power vent didn't run, these would trip. Did you reset these?
I did, yeah.
Were they tripped?
This one clicked, that one didn't. Yeah, that's...
Yeah. So what we could do is we could shut the power off, jump this switch out, then when we turn the power on, that power venter should run. We'll do that. Does that make sense?
So you can test what it is, yeah.
Yeah, because what happens, you got power coming down here.
Yeah.
Then when the thing fires, it sends power up to the power venter to run.
Okay, I gotcha.
So let's shut it off, and we'll put a jumper on there. Then when we turn this power on, it's going to send power up like it was running, right? You said 11?
Yeah, based on
Yeah, 11.
Yeah.
Hot water.
Going up to 11.
Hot water tank, dishwasher. Okay, let's see if that's it.
I guess
Yeah, and this wire goes over to break the thermocouple if the power venter goes off, right? So let's see if we got any. The power should be off to this thing. So if we jump this out and then turn the power on, the power venter should run, right? Because there's always power. It's off. I got it off right now, so there should be no power. No, power's still on. That's not the right one.
Really?
Let me see if it shuts off with the burner. It's probably on the burner circuit. Oh, we still got power. Go shut off the burner circuit, which I think is 18 or something. The burner circuit for the burner. I'll tell you when it's off.
Want me to shut it off?
Go ahead. Nope. Try another one. That's the one right there that you just...
17 back on.
You're turning it back on?
Yeah, okay. 17's on and you have no power, right?
I got no power. I got no power.
Okay.
Which one is it?
It's 18.
It's 18?
Yeah, because everything's arrowed down.
Alright, so it's 18. Leave that one off for now.
Yeah, or actually it's 19 because it's on the left side, so it's 19.
The very last one?
Yep. Yeah, on the left side.
So what we're going to have to do is, you know, we'll have to re-scribble on there what goes where, right?
Yeah, they have the arrows pointing down. It's not the best system.
No.
So all that.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put this on there, and when we turn that power on, it's gonna send power up to the power venter,
Okay.
and then it should run. If it don't run, we got a power vent issue.
Okay.
Or the switch could be bad. Go ahead and turn on the power.
The both or just that one?
Well, the one we're working on, I mean, the one you just shut off.
Yep, alright, I'm turning it on.
You can hear it humming, not running. Shut it off. Yeah, the motor's bad.
Okay.
Again? Alright, shut it off. You got a bad power vent, the motor. Maybe I could oil it. You got it off now?
Yes, it's on.
Right. So we have to go out there and find out what's going on with that. Yeah, one of you want to write it in the panel again, what it should be, what goes where?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll get a Sharpie.
I got a Sharpie right here if you need it. So once we fix the power vent, we gotta relight this pilot. That's what you call experience. Knowing what to look for. Alright, I got another replacement motor right here. Maybe we could try oiling it first, but most likely the motor's gonna have to go. Yeah, she doesn't look too... Go ahead and change it. Engine. They're only good for so long, you know.
Yeah, that's all original.
What year?
Oh, 4?
04, so that's what? You get 15 years out of it. I think you did okay, huh?
Yeah, I'll take that any day.
You left the power off down there, right?
Yes.
Oh, cold shower, huh? Not good. You'll be sleeping on the couch.
Right? I know when I checked it last night, I'm like, nah, I can't get it going. You're gonna have to take a cold shower in the morning.
She wasn't happy?
No.
Quickie.
Yeah. So you're gonna take a fast shower now. Are you gonna have to pick one up, or
I got one.
you have one? Oh, awesome.
I stuck that in the truck right there.
Oh, awesome. You're the man. Guess they fail a lot, huh?
Well, in the winter, and
Yeah.
a lot of people don't want to wait. I don't blame them. I mean, next time I go to supply house, I'll buy another one, leave it in the truck. When I come
Yeah.
across a broken one, I got it. So
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
truck stock.
Yeah.
I might be able to oil it and get it going again. You want me to try that, or you want to put a new one in?
I mean, what's the cost of a new one overall?
It's like $275 For the oil. You want to try oiling it, or you want to try to put a new one in?
A new one, then we won't have to worry about it.
Yeah, because, you know, after 15 years,
yeah,
the bearings start going.
Yeah, no, we better off putting the new one.
I see, yeah. Well, the problem is, you know, you put the new one, you get oil it, and then you keep the old one in there, and then you're calling me back to change it in a couple of years anyway.
No,
So
it makes sense. And it's the age, you know. If it was a year old or something, you'd be like, yeah, maybe, but
that'd be different.
15 years now. This is a nice breeze here.
Maybe I give you extra nuts in case you drop one. There you go. So at least I went over with the operation so you know how it works. So there's always power going to that pressure switch, right?
Right.
So when the burner fires, it closes that pressure switch and lets the power go up and run the power venter. And then the power venter keeps the vent going and stopping the rollout. If the power venter don't work, it'll roll out and trip them safety switches off.
Okay.
So if you lose power, you know you have to reset those switches anyway, right?
Right.
And it's the same thing if this motor, something happens to the motor. We could hear it trying to run, but it was just bound up. Little kind of noisy here in the street, no?
It's not that bad, because in the backyard with a fence and trees and everything, you don't really hear it. It's surprisingly quiet.
You got any dogs?
No, I don't have any. My neighbor does, yeah. But good dog. I don't really bother anymore.
Assembled in Mexico. That's what it says right there.
Yeah. I think we'll be able to get
Assembled in Mexico.
I don't think we'll be able to get away from that 100%. Mexico, China.
Yeah, probably not, huh? What do you think about that mullet hearing?
I don't know. It's at a point where everything's getting just kind of sick of hearing it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of sick of hearing all about it too. It's enough, right?
Yeah. So keep digging, spending money, time.
Yeah, get some work done over there. Do something.
Yeah, I mean.
Flipping waste. Do they ever get anything done in there? I mean, they're flipping waste.
The guy's term is almost over, and they're still chasing that down, you know.
What do they call that? Kicking a dead horse?
Yeah, pretty much.
If the thing was only 3-4 years old, I would probably, I wouldn't, oiling it might not be a bad idea. But 15, I mean, you're kind of taking a chance, right?
Yeah, like you said, you might be out here in a week or a month or whatever. Or when it's winter.
Alright, well, that's good. Just button this up and then we can go downstairs, fire up the water heater, and it should turn on. Well, it looks good for 15 years old. It's because it's stainless.
Yeah.
Alright, so go turn the breaker on and we'll light the pilot. You know how to reset these if you had to, right?
You want just that one breaker or both?
Yeah, put them both on.
What's going on?
Turn us the pilot. Wait for it to flash. I think it come on.
Yeah, you gotta hold that button.
Yeah, it's on.
Is it?
I can see it. Then you gotta hold that in until it flashes green. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it'll be there. Okay, there it goes.
Yeah, and then you turn it to the...
So now we're gonna turn this on. Then it's gonna put pressure to the switch, and then it's gonna send power up to run the power venter.
Okay.
And there goes our power vent, and that creates our draft.
Yeah, we didn't do that yesterday.
Okay, so that's it. Not rocket science.
No? Gotta know what to look for, right?
Alright, so new power venter motor. There's the date. So she's running. We're good to go. What year is that? 11. That's a 50 or a 40? Seems like a pretty tall one. That might be a 50.
50?
Yeah, it's a 50 gallon.
Yeah.
You want kisses, huh? You want kisses? You want kisses?